standing there looking like a Zulu Kenny G. Just, oh. How are you going to hate on the Vuvuzela? That's the best instrument in the Vuvuzela is us. That's the sound of Africa. That's what I picture out on the Serengeti. On one of those like National Geographic shows. David Attenborough commentating. And as you look out, far into the distance of the African bushveld, you can vaguely make out the silhouette of the South African Vuvuzela. The male Vuvuzela is a stunning creature. And it is mating season now. He has roamed for kilometers searching for the perfect mate.